Okay, breaking news coming in on the Mumbai power outrage. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has discussed the power outrage with Energy Minister Nitin Raut and directed immediate efforts be made to restore power supply in Mumbai and the Mumbai metropolitan area. That's the latest coming in, and as we are breaking the story, I can also confirm that power has been restored between Kolaba and Mahim and certain parts of Bandra as well. There is power restored in certain parts of Mumbai at the moment, slowly limping back to normalcy. CST has power again in Nahur. You can see trains are running again. The authorities have acted quite swiftly. The question still remains is that it is a financial capital, and we need to know whether Dalal Street has been impacted or not. Rahul Arora, who's the CEO of Nirmal Bang Securities, is now joining us on the phone line. Rahul, any kind of interruption or any impediment that the stock markets ended up facing on the back of this power supply? Because you've got the Dalal Street that also did not have power for a long time. Now there is electricity that is restored. But what are you picking up? What's your sense as far as the markets are concerned, Rahul?
Thanks for having me on, Chetty. So I think, I don't necessarily think the markets were impacted in any way because of the power outage. I think most, intermediaries as well as the exchanges were able to go on their backup systems almost instantaneously. There might have just been a maximum lapse of about 5 minutes, but I don't think in any material way it had any impact on the way the stock exchanges are functioning today. Even at our end, I think there was just a momentary 5 to 10 minute pause before we moved on to our backup systems, and it's been pretty much normal. And as I heard you say, at least in most parts of Bandra and South, whereas most of the institutional clients are anyway based in the financial capital, the power has been restored over the last half an hour or so. So it's pretty much back to normal systems and normal trading for now.
The worry here was, Rahul, that this is the financial capital, and when the power goes away, you would have a lot that gets crippled because the financial capital cannot function in this particular manner. But I'm glad to hear from you that the markets were just not impacted and things were normal, Rahul. But you said that electricity is restored in your area as well, and in your offices you didn't face any problem?
They were gone for almost a couple of hours, but over the last half an hour or so in various parts of our client offices as well as ours and our competitors' offices, which are predominantly Bandra and South in Bombay, pretty much over the last 30 minutes or so, power has been restored. Like I said, it was just about maybe a 5 to 10 minute sort of interruption when we had to go to our backup system. And I'm pretty sure that would have been the same on the client side as well as on the exchanges. But the backup systems have been functioning well. And, ever since the electricity has been back on, we've reverted back to our normal system. So I don't think there's been any major interruption. The market cooling off from the high point of the day could just be routine profit taking, because as you might well be aware, that if we hit 12,000 today, for the first time from the early part of this calendar year. So I think that's just routine profit taking. And even if there was a minor hiccup, I don't think that I would ascribe any sort of correction to a power outage that's happened.
Oh, that's fantastic to hear. Thank you so much, Rahul. That puts things in better perspective. Rahul Arora, CEO of Nirmal Bang Securities, joining there, saying that the markets are seeing some level of correction, but not because of the power cut off. But this is just normal profit booking that is taking place on the bourses. So Dalal Street not getting impacted by the power cut. He said that there was no electricity, but they quickly went back to their backup and everything was fine. Breaking news coming in. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is chairing a crucial meeting on power cut. He's discussed the power outrage with Energy Minister Dr. Nitin Raut and directed immediate efforts be made to restore power supply in Mumbai and the Mumbai metropolitan area. That's the latest coming in. Devesh and Vidya with us. Devesh, coming straight across to you. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is chairing a very crucial meeting, and we're seeing that power is coming back in the city. So city is limping back to normalcy slowly and steadily is what we can confirm.
Yeah, Chetty, I would just ask my camera person, Vaibhav Kangutkar, to pan and show that this is the CST railway station. Lights have come back. There are people moving inside the railway station now. Just minutes ago, there was a huge crowd over here. People had come out from the railway station. They were here in large numbers waiting for buses. But as the announcement was made that power supply has resumed in many parts of the city, and especially local trains are running right now. That is why people have gone back inside the railway station. It is slowly limping back to normalcy. For past 2 hours or so, people suffered. People couldn't travel anywhere. People who had completed their night shifts and were returning back to home were stranded over here. Some people did hire taxis and did go through buses, but there were very less number of buses. BEST had to add a few more buses to its fleet. while MSRTC, the State Transport Corporation, also added a large number of buses for people who were in CST and had to travel towards Navi Mumbai, towards Thane and western parts of the city. So as of now, you can see the crowd has slowly and gradually dispersed from this place only because power supply has resumed at CST. People have gone back inside, but there are many parts like Thane, there's many parts in central Mumbai, eastern Mumbai which are yet to get, where power supply is yet to resume. But we hear that the trains which were stuck at Panvel and Navi Mumbai areas have also started and they are moving towards CSMT. So this is a sigh of relief for all the people who had been stuck, who had been stranded because trains weren't running. Now slowly they are limping back. The situation is limping back to normalcy. People are going back to their
right there.
respective
Devesh is joining us, reporting from Mumbai. I can see he's reporting from CST where the power has resumed. I can see that you're at CST. That is right next to the BMC office as well. But Vidya on the other side is in the western suburbs. She's joining us from Andheri. What is the situation as far as the western and eastern suburbs is concerned? Vidya, from the last time we spoke, are these certain pockets getting their electricity back just like the way South Mumbai and certain pockets of South Mumbai are getting electricity?
Well, Chaiti, the western suburb and the eastern suburb especially are slightly unlucky that way. The restoration work hasn't really happened as yet. The suburbs still have a lot of issues right now. And in fact, if I can just show you, there's a little bit of that. Some offices in a rarity do have backups, and this is one of them. And you can see that, you know, the electricity backup which is there in one of these offices, which is certainly a rarity, is the only reason why at this point, you know, we do have people still waiting for electricity to be restored. Most of the offices, people are downstairs waiting for electricity to be restored, waiting so that they can get back to their air-conditioned offices. At this juncture, the wait is still on, and everyone's just hoping that the restoration work will really happen at the earliest, even in the suburban areas.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.